Heterochromia is a condition where you have differently colored eyes, like one green and one blue, or more than one color in a single eye. I'll break down the different types of heterochromia, its causes, and what gives your eyes their color in the first place. About 1% of people have some form of heterochromia, but it's more common in certain animals like cats, dogs, cows, and horses. Complete heterochromia is when each of your irises are completely different colors from each other. This only happens in about every 6 out of 10,000 people. Segmental heterochromia is when different parts of one of your irises have different colors, and central heterochromia is when the outer ring of your iris is a different color than the rest of it. This is similar but a little different than having hazel eyes, which is a mixture of different colors throughout the whole surface of your iris. Being born with differently colored eyes is called congenital heterochromia. It's genetic and connected to several other conditions like these. You can also develop heterochromia later in life through a few different ways, like physical trauma to your eyes, glaucoma, certain medicines like Latisse, Lumigan, and Zalatan, and cancers like neuroblastoma and melanoma. But what determines the color of your eyes anyway? Several different genes work together to determine your eye color. Higher amounts of melanin or pigmentation in your eyes result in darker colors like brown, while lighter eye colors like blue result from having less melanin. The structure of your iris itself also impacts how light scatters when it hits your eyes. Green eyes are the result of lower melanin levels like blue eyes, but they also have an iris structure that scatters light in a unique way. People born with albinism have very little melanin everywhere, including their eyes. They often have light blue eyes, but in rare cases, they can have clear irises that make their eyes look red or even violet if they scatter light in a certain way.